Have you ever found yourself staring at your Monese app, feeling lost in a digital maze, desperately wanting to talk to a real person? You're not alone. Welcome to the club of Monese users who've pondered the age-old question, how do I actually speak to someone at Monese? Let's dive in, shall we? First off, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Monese, like many fintech startups, has leaned heavily into automation. It's efficient, sure, but it can also be frustrating when you need a human touch. So, let's cut to the chase. The Holy Grail, Monese phone number. Sadly, there isn't one. Monese doesn't operate with a traditional customer service phone number. It's a digital-first bank, remember? But don't despair, there are still ways to connect. Option 1, in-app chat. This is probably the quickest and easiest way to get in touch. Most issues can be resolved through this channel. To access it, simply log into your Monese app, look for the chat icon, usually a speech bubble, and tap on it. Now, be prepared for some automation. You'll often be greeted by a chatbot that will try to solve your problem. If it can't, it will usually escalate the issue to a human agent. Patience is key here. Option 2, email. If your issue is complex or requires documentation, email might be your best bet. You can usually find the Monese support email address in the app settings or FAQ section. Be as clear and concise as possible in your email. Include any relevant details like transaction references or account numbers. Option 3, social media. Monese is active on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. While it's not the most efficient way to resolve issues, it can be effective for getting attention. If you have a public issue or complaint, tweeting at Monese can sometimes work wonders. Tips for effective communication. Be clear and concise. Clearly explain your problem without rambling. Be patient. Customer service agents are often dealing with high volumes of inquiries. Be polite. A little kindness goes a long way. Keep records. Document all your interactions for future reference. Check Monese Help Center. Often, your question might already have an answer there. Update your app. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Monese app. Review your account settings. Sometimes, the solution is simpler than you think. So, there you have it. While it might not be as straightforward as picking up the phone, these methods can help you connect with Monese customer support. Remember, technology can be frustrating, but with a little patience and persistence, you can get the help you need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.